Hi, welcome back to welcome back to Chainsaw Man. This is episode 7. I am behind, guys. This happens. Life happens. But I appreciate you guys for coming and joining me in my home, my living room, my island. Thank you guys for being here and watching with me and listening to me and reacting with me. My name is Iman. If you are new here, welcome. So the last episode, we ended with Denji jumping into the Infinity Devil's mouth. And he stepped up to the plate as the hero. And Aki was able to kind of sacrifice his life in a way. Not genuinely, he didn't die, but to kind of stop the chaos, use his body to protect Denji, and then give us a deep message that we need each other. We can't defeat the gun devil without Denji. And that was awesome. And again, I like to relate things back to real life. When I watch a show, when I read a book, when I watch a movie, when I read manga, it's something that's being taken from real life, some sort of psychology behind it, some sort of experiences, traumas, catastrophes, destruction, things that have happened historically. People who are creative like to put that into art. And that's what I'm seeing with this anime and most everything I watch. So I just want to say, I'm always trying to find that mirror, and I believe that there's a lot more than meets the eye. So it's not just about the fun, cheap thrills. It's about, there's a message here. There really is. It's only episode 7. I'm jumping into episode 8 after this, but it's wild how deep this anime got. And I honestly, I don't want to even talk about it because I'm procrastinating, but I'm working on a video related to Chainsaw Man that is going to dive a little bit deeper, and I've never done something like that, so I'm procrastinating. So I don't even want to say it because I'm like, oh god, now people are going to expect it, and then they're going to expect it to be something profound, and I'm like, geez Louise, I'm already catastrophizing things in my own head. But I felt like there was the last episode, episode 6, Kill Denji, was such an important episode for psychology and the way the mind works, especially when you don't face your shadow self. So that's what it's going to be about, basically. So hopefully this will put a little bit of fire under my butt now that I said this and just finished doing that video. I'm in the process of editing, so we'll see. Anyways, here we are. I'm jumping in. Thanks for supporting me here, leaving likes, comments. That truly helps with the algorithm. And thank you guys for joining Patreon. That helps with everything. Getting me out there with my editors, the work they do. It's the very, very, very hard work. And my editors have been with me for a while now. And if it wasn't for them, a lot of this stuff wouldn't be out. Most of this stuff would not be out. And so I just appreciate, it's an ecosystem and we're all working together. So thank you guys for supporting if you can, financially on Patreon. It means the world to all of us. So thank you. All right, let's do this. It's over. She did not say yatta. Ooh. Ouch, that would hurt. Ooh. Oh. Oh. It's so crazy how it's so many people. All these spirits or demons. Oh gosh. Oh. Damn. Oof. Wow, that would be, oh my god, that would be so scary though. It's literally hell. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, he's gonna get there. Ew. I feel like their blood would be pretty foul. Yeah. Ah! Uh-huh, the ones that have a little bit of screws loose. Oh. We've seen this guy in the intro. Mm. That's so interesting. His vice is drinking, her vice is nicotine. Oh, I see. That's so true. That's her master. Man, with this line of work, it makes sense. Oh. She doesn't want him to die. He's always saying that. There's always an exchange of something. Oh, she's like, Denji is crazy. Oh! Who knocked him out? Or one of those things did. Oh. Oh, cool! Wow. Which makes sense. If he's a perpetual motion machine, he would be able to kill an infinity devil. Oh, she's... her face. Wow. Wow, she was helping him this whole time. Power. The way she's sleeping. Whoa, he's been fighting for 3 days. Aww. Whoa. Whoa. Denji. Denji. Wow. Wow. Thank God, you don't want his head to get hit. These guys are never coming back. Are you kidding me? What is he? Who can he be? Wow, that looks so real. Damn, that looks so good. Oh, he's never had gyoza before? Oh, Kobeni is so cute. The way Arai is looking at it.
キスの件は
おお、シラフじゃ恥ずかしいからさ、もっと酔ったらしてあげる。可愛いやつかましてやるからさ。デンジ君をみんなで殺そうとしたこと許してね。
ああ、もう超許す。
I believe him.
名前と年齢と契約してる悪魔言え。
手の内は信用した人間にしか見せちゃいけないぞ。
相変わらず硬いやつだな。
I think that's smart.
俺デンジ。年は確か
Oh, he's so
趣味
young.
は食うのと寝るの。
Just a kid.
あんた酒飲んでないよね。
お茶。
荒井広かったです。
Chill.
悪魔はきつい。趣味は
Chill. Haiku.
20歳です。契約してる悪魔は秘密で。趣味は美味しいものを食べること。
Ooh, that's a fun hobby. I like that.
服はお姉ちゃんのお下がりです。
She's so freaking cute.
トシさん
8 sisters.
ここにいる新人以外みんな姫野にキスされてるよ。逃げられねえからな。
There's no escaping her.
確定キスじゃん。
This okay. Let me prepare. This seems like it's about. Oh, Makima.
本物のマキマさん初めて見た。
Oh, interesting.
デンジ君、誰かとキスするの？
しません。
デンジ君キスしないの？
しまーす。
すいません。
Man, I can't. Can I like transport here right now and just eat?
でもすごいよパワちゃん。殺人衝動を抑えられてる魔人はとっても少ないんだよ。
わしは IQ が高いから。
IQ どのくらいあるの？
100？
100って高いの？私も確か100ぐらいだったけど。
じゃあ120じゃ。
Then it was 120.
わしは確か500じゃったか。
Oh, oh. She's looking at him. Oh, what in the world? He's 16 years old.
口の中でとろけてるぞ。人じゃない。
Yeah, she's throwing up.
ゲロだ。
Oh.
トラウマだな。
すい
Oh.
ません。何か拭くものを。
Oh. She's still throwing up. Oh. 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 Goodness. Oh, Pochita was so cute.
見ろ、ポチタ。ゲロ食うなんて信じられない。
As he's eating out of the
同じ哺
trash.
乳類として情けねえぜ。
姫の先輩には自制心が足りないんだ。仕事帰りの酔った母さんをよく介抱してたんだ。
Oh.
お前みたいにデビルハンターの才能はなかったがな。
羨ましいだと。こっちやよ。ファーストキスはゲロの味だぜ。
皆さん、マキマさんのおごりだから感謝をしましょうね。
Man, that must have been expensive.
もお酒が一番美味しいですね。
Her voice is so cute.
デンジ君は？
デンジ君なら姫野先輩が背負って連れて行きまし
Oh
たよ。
boy. What is she gonna do? Oh, she wanted to give him like an actual proper kiss. She's still drunk. Imagine that, guys. You get piggyback carried, I don't know, home like this. A woman just carries you on her back.
あんなクソ女やめときゃいいのに。もう、アキ君も。照れちゃってさ。
She has to like Aki more than a friend.
しちゃう。
I can't even. Oh, that's so cool. It's like retro. Oh, that's awesome. And like a video game. It's almost like a music video as well. Like if you're at a karaoke room, this would be playing in the background or over the lyrics. Or the lyrics would be over a screen like this. This is really cool. Oh god. Oh, that was so cool. That is so cool. I love that they really put so much time and effort into this. I wish other anime would do that for their outros. Just like a retro version. I like that 80s, 90s vibe of anime. It's kind of like the best time, really. I mean, you know, just the feel, that nostalgic feeling. Wow, what an episode. That was fun. I'm really enjoying this anime a lot. It definitely knows how to like go from really, really intense and dark, serious to some really lighthearted, funny stuff. And I appreciate that. There's a really interesting balance between the two. Yeah, I think Himeno, I really like her. I like how interesting she is. She is a very complex character. There's so much about her. She definitely wears this mask, and it's really to keep herself sane, but also everybody else around her. And she's doing her best. We met her master, and he kind of looks like Zeke, I guess, from Attack on Titan. He has that like look about him. But he's obvious. I don't know. I'd like to know more about him. I want to know what his story is and how long he's been doing this line of work. And he's picked up his own vice. I don't know. It just almost seems like an impossibility. If you put your life on the line for your job, I feel like, yeah, it makes sense for people to like start doing like heavy drinking or some sort of, you know, some substance abuse, and or it could even go into anything, really. Anything that's too much, that's out of balance, is not good for you. It's just not good for us to not be balanced for the most part. It's okay. Sometimes it's not going to be balanced all the time. But if it's like that, you're probably in trouble. You need to like reassess the situation. Like, oh, I'm really drinking a lot right now. I wonder why. And then sit back and like take time to really like feel what's going on. I mean, if you're in a situation like this, I don't even know. I get it. I would probably drown myself in anything to kind of make me forget, because that's just too much. But people have that kind of job in the real world too, like firefighters and people who put their lives on the line or have to take care of people's lives, like EMTs and doctors, nurses. Stressful. Sounds stressful. Yeah, I thought that it was cool that Himeno was like she was kind of treating him as a puppet or a marionette, and she was the puppeteer with her ghost hand. That was so cool. And it was cool. Okay, I'm gonna jump into episode 8. Thank you guys for watching with me. See you there. Bye, everyone.